Hi everyone, this is the breeding season, little update. Hope you're all keeping safe. Hope all your families are well. There's been a few changes. We've started the second round. This pair up here, these actually have 6 eggs. Only 5's fertile, but they're due to hatch next week or so. This pair up here, these actually have 4 eggs. Second round, these are due to hatch again next week. The pair down here, red factors, 4 chicks doing really well. She's built a nest for the second round, so hopefully any day soon there'll be some eggs. Up here, the grey wings, she's actually got 5 eggs. But I haven't checked these, but I think they should be hatching next week. The red factors down here, I'm not sure what's happened to these. They had 4 chicks, got to about 2.5 weeks old, 3 weeks old. Then they came in one day and they were just all dead. I have no idea what happened, but I've put another nest pan in for her. And at the moment she's got 1 egg, which I have to put away from her. So hopefully there'll be some more. The old pals up here. 1 chick's fledged, doing really well. Again, she's gone down for the second round. She's got 1 egg so far, replaced with a dummy egg. These reds down here, 5 chicks, all doing really well. She's actually built another nest, but no eggs yet, so hopefully soon for the second round. I did get rid of this pair. I'm not sure what happened with these. She kept struggling to build the nest, and she finally built a weird nest. Laid 3 eggs, 1 hatched, got to about 2 weeks old, and then came in and it was just dead. I'm not sure what's happened, but I'm just guessing it was lack of experience. But yeah, they've gone. And then in the flight, these are all the chicks so far, all doing really well. But yeah, that's them. But that's the quick update on the breeding season so far. Feel free to comment any problems or how many chicks you've got or how your breeding season's going. Also, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you later.